How to add video to Flodesk email. In this video, I'll show you how to add video to Flodesk email. So to get started, go ahead and open Flodesk and then open that specific email where you want to add a video to, and then click on edit. So when you're on the email, go ahead and hover your mouse into the section where you want to add that video to. So once you hover that mouse into that section, you'll find this plus icon. Click on it and then select video from here. So to be able to incorporate a video here, you need to provide a video URL. So open YouTube on a new tab, and then from there, go ahead and search for the video that you want to incorporate with your email. So you can also add your own customized video by uploading it on Google Drive and setting the shareable link into anyone with the link so that anyone can view that specific video, and then go ahead and enter that URL into the URL section. So head back into Flodesk and then paste the URL under the section, and that will reflect into the section. So once you're done with this, you can go ahead and click on next to choose your audience and publish this email. And that is how you can basically add video to Flodesk email. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.